We're surrounded by all kinds of biological diversity, and it sort of makes the world an interesting place. Most of that diversity we can't see because it's microbial. There's a lot that we know about them and their diversity that comes mostly from just little pieces of DNA that we can sequence and compare. These microbes are really important to everything on the planet, humans and all other living organisms. My name is Paul Straight, and I'm an associate professor in biochemistry and biophysics. We have a lab that's mostly graduate students and research scientists and undergraduates, and it's a good mix of students at different levels sort of interacting in ways that make the lab sort of vibrant. What my lab does is trying to discover new antibiotics. There's lots of ways in which people are trying to discover new antibiotics, and my lab has a different take on the issue. What we try and do is just take a really simple approach and take bacteria out of soils, put them together, and let them show us what they do to each other. And in many cases, we identify antibiotics that are a really important part of the way different organisms interact with each other. Texas A&M, it's a community where one can do what really this whole exercise is about and interact with other people and learn from those interactions. In terms of equipment, technology, we can get the funds to run our research both here and outside the university, and we have an incredible community of scholars and students that make the whole operation work. And Aggies are enthusiastic, and it's great to have undergraduates working in the lab alongside graduate students and help them help each other learn. The best part of my job is trying to be creative together, right? Not sort of dictate what needs to happen when and where, but instead sort of sharing the space and the tools that we have to think through problems and develop new kinds of solutions. The biochemistry here at A&M has a bright future because of the people who are here and the sort of blend of ideas and technical know-how that makes it possible to do a lot of really innovative science. Think open-mindedly about the kind of science and training that you want to get, because there's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of different types of science going on and a lot of ways in which you can engage in it and develop as a scientist yourself.